Hello, welcome to Bone Mods. I'll be going over high-yield pimp questions that I've been asked during my orthopedic rotations during my 4th year of medical school. First, we'll start off with the extensor compartments of the hand. Take a moment to look at the 6 different compartments, name all the tendons inside of them, and potentially some nerves, and try and think about any high-yield clinical associations that might be associated with the different compartments. For the first compartment, there is the extensor pollicis brevis, the abductor pollicis longus, and the high-yield clinical association is de Quervain's. For the second compartment, there's the extensor carpi radialis brevis and longus. The best way to remember this is that both of the extensor carpi radialis tendons are inside this compartment. For the third one is the extensor pollicis longus. The extensor pollicis brevis was already in compartment 1, so the extensor pollicis longus has to go somewhere, and it's just going to jump over compartment 2 and into compartment 3. Next is compartment 4. It has the extensor digitorum and the extensor indices, and also for the extensor digitorum, it's also called the extensor digitorum communis. So it's a little bit different than profundus or superficialis. It's extensor digitorum communis. And the high yield association here is that the posterior interosseous nerve runs inside of the 4th compartment. So that's high yield, and if you can get that correct as a pimp question, you'll look like a stud. All right, yeah, that's just not commonly covered inside of textbooks or on diagrams. Even in this diagram, it's not in there. I had to add it in. In compartment 5 is the extensor digiti minimi. And in the 6th compartment is the extensor carpi ulnaris. Okay. Thank you. These are my references.